New bills in the state legislature aimed at better regulating Florida's professional guardians are closer to becoming law. I-Team investigator Adam Walser has spent more than 6 years reporting on the state's broken system. He has the new developments for us tonight. Adam?
Jameson, the bills had hearings Wednesday in both the House and Senate and are on track to become law. If passed, the law would require judges to sign off on do not resuscitate orders and would give the state more power to hold problem guardians accountable. It was the death of Stephen Stryker while under the care of professional guardian Rebecca Furley that caused Florida lawmakers to spring into action. Stryker choked to death last May after Furley removed his feeding tube and placed a do not resuscitate order on him without permission. You not feel bad about that?
Like, what do we need to do? And we need to do it now.
Good afternoon, members.
On Wednesday, lawmakers held the first subcommittee hearings on new bills, which crack down on how guardians are appointed and paid and require judges to sign off on any DNRs.
This is an opportunity for us as members of the Florida House and as a legislature to include the Senate to protect those who cannot speak or protect themselves.
But guardianship reform advocate Doug Franks says problems with the system are not new.
I started this battle in 2012 with my mother.
We all love you, Mom.
You're all I have.
Doug's mother, Ernestine, a former Naval Air Station Pensacola civilian employee, was put into a court-ordered guardianship despite taking measures to prevent it, including setting up a trust years earlier and appointing family members to manage her health care and financial affairs. Frank says once a guardian was appointed, his mother was isolated and rarely allowed to visit with family. This video was from one of those few visits.
I almost could cry.
Why, Mama?
I'm just happy.
Oh, it's okay. Well, I'm happy too. Mama.
A judge removed that guardian after finding she wasn't operating in Ernestine's best interest. At the time, Ernestine was being billed $30,000 a month.
I freed my mom after 4.5 years of fighting. And again, there wasn't any legislation that happened that got her free. It was me.
How far are we from home right now?
Not far at all.
Ernestine got to spend her final 45 days at home with her son. Franks hopes the new law will make the system better for other Florida families.
It is really a Band-Aid on a cruise missile coming at us. I mean, it's just not enough.
Both the House and Senate bills have received unanimous support in 4 different subcommittee hearings so far. I'm I-Team investigator Adam Walser taking action for you.
Adam, thank you. And you can see all of our I-Teams reporting on Florida's guardianship system and watch the first 2 episodes of an online-only series of in-depth stories. Just go to abcactionnews.com/protection. It's all there in one place.